welcome back to my channel, Layla Fashion. Today what we're going to be doing is yet another layering pantyhose, and also going to talk about this cute little dress that I have going on and how to kind of pump up the professionalism with it if you wanted to. This dress is it's a little dress that I got thrifting, and it's a children's dress because I'm so petite. It fits really nicely. It comes to a nice height, which is great because I find that because I am so short that I often have to get my dresses hemmed to be like at the above the knee level that I like. So we are wearing this cute little kids dress and it's perfect. It has cute little like light blue or white flowers, I can't really tell. So we're gonna be doing an all blue look today. I don't really know if like blue is really my color, to be honest, but we're gonna roll with it. So first I'm wearing some Fulk pantyhose. They are a 15 den. They are in a neutral color. They have a very, very, very sheer reinforced toe. Comfortable waistband, like I'm happy with it. Easy put on. It is a shine look, but it's not full, it's not the wet look. It's like a shiny and it's not matte. So it's like in the middle. And then I'm going to layer them with some pantyhose in this light blue, also a very, very low den, and we're just gonna try it on. So these pantyhose also have a reinforced toe, and there is no cotton gusset, and the band is going to be super comfortable. We all know that I love pantyhose. And also I'm being a little adventurous to do an all blue outfit. I know it's not like I'm doing any crazy sorts of things, but alas, it is still a little bit adventurous for Layla. So let's put on these ones here on top. Let's get a better angle of me doing that. What I do like about layering pantyhose, I don't always like it, but what I do like about layering pantyhose is how easy it is to pull the pantyhose up over each other. Like it is pretty nice. And then like you feel really snatched and cinched in, which also is amazing. Also amazing. Okay, great. Well, I think these light blue pantyhose look pretty good, all things considering, with the layering. I think that the base Fulk pantyhose make a good layer, or like base layer, so that the light blue really pops. It goes with the little like flowers that are on my dress. Yeah, I don't know if I would wear it though. But I'm wearing it right now for you guys. And we are going to try on this blue blazer, again in the all blue theme we got going on. This would also help kind of like make this look more conservative and more appropriate, like if you wanted to wear it to the office. Put my microphone here. If you wanted to wear it to the office. It's a little bit long for me, again, because I'm just like the petitest little human. Proportional, but you know, petite. Pretty petite. So I have to roll up the sleeves, otherwise it looks baggy and not very nice. So I'm going to do that so the look is complete. Very good. Sleeves are somewhat even. So this look with the blazer It's kind of like a long blazer, so it goes really well. If you wanted to wear it as a coat, you could wear it to the office. Really anything you wanted would work well. And then now, for the final pièce de résistance, we are going to add the blue shoes. Wow, blue on blue on blue on blue. It's a touch excessive, but what can you do? It's for the video. I do like the way my legs look in a heel. And do a little twirl. Alrighty. Well, this is the all blue look. This is the layered cape pantyhose over Fulk with the light blue. Honestly, it's very cute. And I think like now that I have a blue blazer on and the blue shoes, it kind of ties everything together. I'm not typically one for an all like monotoned or monocolored sort of look, except if it's black or like a cream. But trying for blue is actually, you know, it's been kind of cute. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Mwah.